How to log in POF account. So if you want to log into your POF or Plenty of Fish account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and then search for POF, and here on the first search you will have www.pof.com. Click on that and it will take you to the website. So now you can simply go for login, which is on the upper right, or you can also go for a sign in, and here it will take you to the login or sign in page. So simply enter your username or your email address, and then you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot your password. You can simply click on that, and then you can enter your email address here on this blank, and then click on reset password, and you will get some instructions for resetting your password to your email. But if you remember your password, then simply enter your password here and then simply click on login. And after clicking on login, you will be logged into your Plenty of Fish or your POF account. So that's it. That's how you log in. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.